I write with clarity and confidence. I write words that matter to me. I write every day and get stronger. I write to express my true voice. I write even when it feels hard. I write story only I can tell. I write because my idea deserves space. I write and creativity flow through me. I write with courage, not perfection. I write and my message reach who needs it. I write one sentence at a time and that's enough. I write to understand myself better. I write and doubt losses its grip. I write with focus and ease. I write because the world needs my positivity.